In this video, I'm reviewing Granola. We'll cover its bot-free note-taking, the unique way it handles meeting notes, and its privacy-first approach to audio storage. Then, we will dive into real-world reliability to see if it actually delivers on its privacy promises. By the end, you will know exactly if Granola is the right tool for your workflow or if you should look elsewhere. Now, the link to Granola is in the description. It's my affiliate link, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So if you find this video helpful and decide to give Granola a try, I would appreciate if you use my link. Now, let's get started. Part 1. The basics. Granola is a meeting tool built specifically for Mac and Windows users. They've also added a handy iPhone app for in-person chats, and for those of you on Android, stay tuned because an official app is coming soon. It works by listening to your calls and turning that audio into text. Unlike many other AI assistants, it does not send a bot into your meeting. It stays out of the way and captures audio directly from your device. This means it can transcribe calls on almost any platform, including Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and even Slack huddles. It is designed for people who want the benefits of an AI note taker, but not the awkwardness of a recording bot joining the room. Part 2. The pros. The biggest advantage here is the bot-free experience. Since nothing joins the call, there's no disruption or need to explain a third-party bot to your clients. Now, another standout feature is the way it handles notes through a system called Enhanced Notes. You can type your own quick thoughts during a meeting, and the AI will blend those notes with the full transcript. This creates a polished summary that actually includes your personal observations. You can even use the Ask Granola feature to chat with your transcript after the meeting to pull out specific details instantly. The real game changer, however, is the new Recipes feature, which uses slash commands to combine expert AI prompts with your specific meeting context. These reusable shortcuts go far beyond simple summaries, allowing you to instantly generate professional project briefs or receive tailored coaching based on patterns found across your entire conversation history. Plus, it is very lightweight and runs silently in the background. Part 3. The cons. Now, there are a few design trade-offs to keep in mind. As I mentioned, Granola takes a privacy-first approach by not storing any audio or video files. This keeps your data lightweight and secure, but the trade-off is that there's no recording to play back if you need to verify a specific detail later. Additionally, since the tool is invisible to other participants, it generally uses generic labels instead of identifying voices by name, which can make large group calls harder to follow. You'll also want to manually double-check complex numbers or technical data, as there is no audio backup to confirm accuracy. Lastly, Granola improves its service by training on anonymized data by default, though you have full control to opt out in your settings at any time. Part 4. The experience. Using the app every day is a very smooth process. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. Once your calendar is connected, the app automatically detects when a meeting is about to start and sends you a prompt to begin transcribing. It can even detect unplanned calls, like a spontaneous Slack huddle, just by sensing your microphone is in use. It feels very native to the computer and does not require you to juggle browser tabs or plugins. Now, sharing your notes is also very simple, with options to send them to Slack, email, or Notion with just one click once you finish the call. It is designed to be fast and stay out of your way so you can focus on the conversation. Part 5. Quality and reliability. In terms of performance, the transcription quality is often quite high, around 90 to 95% on clear audio. It can handle different languages and technical jargon, but keep in mind that you can't use both at once. The custom jargon feature currently turns off if you're in multi-language mode. There's also the reality of that audio storage choice I mentioned earlier. Because Granola prioritizes security by deleting audio immediately after processing, there's no way to go back and verify a section if the software misses a detail. Now, on the security side, the company processes data live and deletes audio immediately. While they're transparent, they do train their models on your anonymized data by default unless you manually opt out or use a high-level enterprise plan. Lastly, some users have noted that running it for back-to-back calls can be a bit of a battery hog on laptops. Part 6. Price and competition. Granola offers a free basic plan to start, but it limits you to 25 total lifetime meetings and just 14 days of history. To get unlimited notes and history, you'll need the business plan at $14 per user monthly. This tier also adds powerful integrations, including Zapier, which connects your notes to over 8,000 other apps. For large teams, the enterprise plan starts at $35 and includes advanced security and priority support. Compared to its main rival, Jamie, Granola is actually the more affordable bot-free option, as Jamie can cost nearly double. However, if you don't mind a visible bot, a tool like Otter is much cheaper, though you lose the discrete, private feel. Part 7. The verdicts. So, is Granola worth it? Well, if you're a professional who does a lot of external client calls and needs high-quality, structured notes without an awkward bot joining the room, then yes, it is the gold standard for discrete, bot-free meeting notes. However, if you're an Android user who can't wait for the upcoming app, or someone who prefers a recorded audio backup over total privacy, then skip it. Alright, if you found this video helpful and are planning to try Granola, remember to use my link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.